Hey there, just wanted to show off something that I recently printed here. This is a Pythagorean cup, and what it's meant to do is empty itself if it's filled too high. And the way this works is there is a little hole in the bottom of the cup. I don't know if you can see that or how well you can see it, but it's got a hole in the bottom of the cup, and that little tube goes down just a little bit, and it rotates around. Trying to see if we can find out where that is. Anyways, it comes down and it comes out near the edge of the cup and comes back up and then goes across the top of the cup there, and you can kind of see it there, and then it comes all the way back down through the middle of the cup, and there's a hole on the bottom. So the way this works is if you fill up the cup above that line, the liquid begins to come through that tube, and once it hits that area where it starts to go down, there's a vacuum effect, and what it does is it'll vacuum and suck all the liquid from the cup through the bottom of the hole. And that's kind of a neat idea. I've seen different ones where the mechanism is actually in the middle of the cup, but this one looks more like a regular cup would. You know, you could almost fool someone with this. I decided to print it in clear plastic so that you kind of see this. And I've got some soy sauce here, and I'm hoping we can see that liquid fill up through the clear cup. I don't know that we will, but we'll give it a try here. We've got a little tub here to catch all the liquid, and so we'll give this a try. And let's see, what we're going to be looking for is right here, and then along this part. There's a line there. So try and get that on camera. Oh yeah, you can see it pretty well going up the side there. Yep, and there it's starting to cross over. Actually, you can kind of see it there on the inside too, where it's, I guess the pressure of the liquid has pushed it up a little bit higher than the rest of the level of the water, or the soy sauce. So let's keep going. Let me see where I can turn this to where we can see it go down the side. I think it's going to be right there in front. Make sure my camera's in focus. And I'm going to lift this up just a little bit as I pour, because I'm not sure if the liquid's going to come out with it flat up against the tub. We'll give it a try. And it's starting to wrap around, you can see it. And it should be coming around right there. And if we go any further, it should start to drain itself. We'll try it once like this, where I'm not shaking it, see if it empties itself or not. Yep, there it goes. But because it's flat up against it, and the cup will completely empty itself. I think that hole's kind of small, so the liquid doesn't flow through it very well. But you can see that it's dripping there. And empty for the most part. So let's see, we could probably do it again. And that's it. I'll try and post a link to this model in the description if you wanna see this. But again, thanks for watching.